Rivers whisper truth as they flow down, and their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger.
Through the stillness, the clouds drift high. Thoughts like breezes whisper by. Endless waves of a calm blue sky, where dreams take wings and learn to fly. Gentle echoes of time's embrace. Each shadow finds its quiet space in the flow of light, a tender trace binds the soul to this serene place. Let it go, let it be, like a river rolling free. In the silence you will see the harmony of you and me. The stars align, they softly hum, telling secrets of where we're from. In the quiet, our hearts succumb to a rhythm eternal as the drum. Glimmers dance on the ocean's crest. Nature hums her song